Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace our inside tail lamp. As you can see right here, they have a hole, got a bullet hole actually, so we're going to replace it. And you can see on the inside where the bullet hole comes in right here, right? So that's why we're replacing it. So we're also going to replace this piece, so we just need to remove these clips. So it will be the same procedure as if you're going to replace the tail lamp and not this piece too, but we're gonna do both pieces. And this gonna be a clip puller. So this is what this tool name, and link will be in the description, and also link will be in the description for the tail light. And also please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel so you get the drift. Alright, so when you remove all the clips, next thing you want to do is just pry this on each side. It's gonna come out like that. Oh, I have one more clip right here. It's gonna come down like that. Just open that part just like that, and you can see in the back where the bullet came through. This right here, we're gonna squeeze this, unplug this. This right here is 8mm, so we're gonna remove this 8mm, and then the lamp gonna flip open like this, flip out. So we have our 8mm. Bring it all the way down, push up on it. Alright, so now we're gonna hold the light. We have something that's holding it. Alright, so now it come up just like that. Gonna get our tail lamp. Alright, so this is our good tail lamp. You can see you have two hooks which gonna hook right here. So you wanna like hook them. So we'll hook them underneath just like that. Bring it down. Make sure it's still hooked. We're gonna get our 8mm. Alright, so our 8mm is on. We're gonna tighten that up, but not too tight. We're gonna plug this back in. Do not over tighten it, just snug it up. So guys, we're gonna put on this now. So just gotta do it just like that. And let's put this back. And we also gotta check the light, make sure it works. So so we can see, alright. You can see that it works, so that's good. Well, I don't think you need to sit and watch me do all this, so please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me grow if I help you fix your car, and come back for the next one. Peace out. And I also have more videos of me working on Malibu, so if it's Malibu you're into, you can feel free to check the other one. Alright, peace out, see you next time. Oh, and guys, one more thing, don't forget this right here. So if you forget it, it's not a big deal. So if you forget it, it's not a big deal. You just gotta get this, grab like this, bring this down just like that, and then you can, if it's like that, you just bring this down. You bring this down, push it through the cap, through the hole I should say. They have a hole right here. Pull it through, leave it like that, put that back up, and just put back this piece and be done with it. Alright, peace out for real this time now.